Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. By the way, yesterday I made a video, but it said it was way too long for me to edit it on YouTube, so I'm making one. It was with my friend. Hopefully we can make another one next week without being it so long. By the way, I made this slime last night and it was so good. And let me show you the one I made with my friend. I made this slime. It has like beads. So yeah. So hopefully today we're gonna be making Tide slime. So hopefully Tide slime makes it smell good, and yeah. Let's get on started with the video. First you will need a mixing bowl and a mixing tool. It's dirty because I've been using this for a long time now, so I don't waste a lot of things. And if you also want to make color, you could add something. I'm using this because I don't have food coloring like what y'all use or some types of YouTubers use. But yeah. So first you will want to add some glue. But you guys, today I'm going to be showing my face. Okay, you guys, first you will be wanting to get some glue. Yesterday we bought the big gallon of glue, so we don't have to be buying more glue. So let's pour it in a little bit. Look, I'm gonna try to make it as short as I can. So you first put as much glue as you want, because the more glue, the more slime. Everybody says that because it's true. Put that. Now you want to get tied. The original worked for me more because I tried another one and it wasn't original. It was like Febreze or something like that, but it didn't work. And then I got the original one and it worked. So you first want to add it little by little because the Tide is actually the activator. Oh wait, you don't need to put actually that because the Tide has color, so you don't really have to. And by the way, my cup already has color, so it's going to turn a color, like different color. So hopefully it works. You guys, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications to see more of my previous videos. And right now, it's just a chunk. I don't know what happened to it, but look. I'm going to put it right there. It didn't really turn out good for some reason. No, this didn't turn out good. It's just a clump. Oh, okay, you guys, let's start all over again. Oh, my goodness. I don't know what happened to it. Okay, you guys, let me clean the bowl first, and then I'll come back. Okay. I kind of cleaned the bottom of the bowl. Now I'm going to add more glue because I don't know what happened to that slime. I feel like I have slime in my hair right now. It's heavy. I'm going to put the Tide right here in my spoon. Oh, I love that song. Sorry. It's kind of working now. It's in Spanish. I'm a Mexican. But I could also talk English. Let's see if it works now. It's just a clump also, kind of. It kind of worked a little bit better. It's still a little bit like, it's not really stretchy. But you want to put a little bit of detergent in your hand and just orange spoon would be fine too. It's not really working with the color, so you would want to kind of add a little bit of color if you wanted. I'm adding a little bit. It's not really working. It's kind of getting stuck to the table. Kind of did work. At least it worked. It's a little bit sticky, but that should be the trick. Because the flashlight just fell. Oh, it's okay. It kind of worked now. I really want to show you about my hands. Oh my goodness. And I don't have nothing to clean my hands in. I would love to clean my hands right now. But I just got my camera dirty. Or tablet. Yeah, tablet. Sorry. It's because it has a camera right there. And I'm in the camera right now, of course. So yeah, that's how I turned it out. You're gonna put more color. I just wanted to show you how to make it with Tide and glue. Don't forget to smash that like button. Comment down below what other types of slimes should I do, and subscribe and turn on your notifications if you want to watch more of my previous videos. Bye.